Hello, welcome back to another episode. As you could probably tell, I'm not in a video doing this. I'm actually sat at home at my computer while editing. So, for those who already know me, thanks for coming back. For those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So, I forgot to do the intro, so I'm doing it now for you. This Volkswagen Tiguan R was in for our Ultimate Plus package, which is the 10-year wax is dead. Ultimate Plus is only available to elite installers such as ourselves, and we're very proud of this. There's also a few other little bits on here as well, so you'll see on the bonnet and above the driver's door there's some nasty chips and things we had to contend with. We have sorted those out. If you haven't already, don't forget to drop us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Right, so as you can see, the vehicle's now clean and dry, so I'm going to mask up all these plastic areas so we can polish right to the edges without getting any contamination anywhere. Once we've done that, we're going to polish it, leave it to rest overnight, and then once it's had its chance to rest overnight, then obviously we'll be able to go ahead with the coatings and the rest of the options. So, yeah. Right, so another little voiceover here. I just wanted to walk you through the paintwork. So obviously here you can see some quite deep swirls, and then they go on to holograms. So this is where there's had a small paint repair, or what I would say here is somebody's already tried removing those scratches. And it's kind of uniform over the whole entire vehicle really. If we go around to the other side, you'll see quite a lot of bush marks and things like that. So there's some scratches just there, like we do actually manage to get those out, believe it or not. Right, so we actually seem to be having quite a lot of microphone issues in this video, but as you can see here, I'm talking and nothing's coming out, so I'm going to do a voiceover for you. So the machine I've got in my hands here is what we call a rotary, and it's got the green heavy cut pad on with some heavy cut polish. So this is more aimed at getting rid of the deeper marks. It does leave holograms behind and it will leave marring, but obviously that comes out at a later stage, which you'll see in a moment with a DA machine. So anyway, I'm going to get on to this and you can sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Just because it's that kind of video, I'm going to explain again. So this little machine I'm using here is a smaller Rupes machine. This is for all the little tight angled areas, as you can see here. So now all the polishing is done on the lower down areas up to about here. I'm going to get the car back on the ground, then we're going to get everything on the top polished. So that'll be all these upper panels all the way around the top and the roof and the bonnet itself. Right, so the vehicle's all polished. We've got a few little stone chips we need to attend to. So I'm going to get all of the tape off. I'm going to mark where these stone chips are. Then once the paint arrives, we'll get them done. Upon completion of stone chips, and it'll be a quick wipe down with some IPA, and then we'll be ready for coatings. Right, so now all the ceramics done on the paint and the plastic, so I've put the vehicle down on the ground so we can do the glass. So we're going to use the same product, so it's going to be Wax Dead Ultimate Plus. That's going to go on the glass, and that's going to give the glass best protection that we can offer here at Crystal Clear Polishing.